This video will show you how to connect to one of the Eldon computers remotely. So first of all, you need to open up Global Protect and connect to the VPN. So that's down here and connect to that. Type in my password. And that will connect you to the university's network. So you'll have access to the N drive. So you can copy your files to and from your local drives to the N drive. Because when you access the computers remotely, it will just be like working on a computer at Eldon. So you won't have access to your files on your actual laptop or your home PC. You'll have to make sure they're on the N drive. Next, go to the link that I've sent you. So this takes you to this page here. And it gives you instructions here, but all you need to do is scroll down, find the Eldon building, click here. We want this one, EL2231, and this will bring up all the computers that are available to you. Okay, so you can just connect to any of these, just click on its address here, and just go, I'm using Firefox, so it might be a little bit different in Chrome, but I'm just going to open this with the remote desktop connection, so OK, and then just connect. And it comes up with a few things. Put your password in. You can do remember me if you're connecting a lot. And again, just yes to this, and you can again turn this off so it doesn't keep doing this each time. And then it eventually, this is now logging into an Eldon computer. It's got this little bar at the top, so this is how you can minimize it and go back to your own desktop if you need to. And let's just see if we can get Maya up and running. Now, I think Maya is running great. I tried it last night and it was all good. The only issue they're having is with Arnold rendering. Okay, so you can play Blast, you can do stuff like that, you can work on your files, but they're trying to get a workaround to get Arnold working. It's something to do with the graphics system or something. I'm not entirely sure. So I'll just let this boot up a little bit so I don't rush it a bit. I'll probably fast forward some of this. And then we've got Apps Anywhere, so I'll just double click on that. And you sometimes have to get Apps Anywhere to validate, you sometimes have to shut this down and boot it up again. Let's see if it will work first time. When I tried it last night, I had to sort of shut this window down and redo it again. No, that's worked first time. So all available. Let's have a look, let's find Maya. There we go, let's launch that and let's see if this works. Okay, so that's taken a little while to load, but I've speeded up that video just to breeze past that, so you just have to give it a moment. And as always, let Maya load up, get all its plugins loaded and so on. And there you go, it's loaded. That's all loaded. So if I go to File and Set Project, I should have access to, look, the N drive. I'm totally on the N drive now, so I can access my files. So file open, let's just see, it's running really nice and quickly. I don't know whether I've got anything complicated I can load up, but let's have a look. I've no idea what file to load up, but let's try this. Okay, that's loading all the textures in and so on. So there you go, that seems to work absolutely fine. Like I said, I don't think the Arnold render is working at the moment, but you can play Blast and so on. And if you want to go back to your desktop, but you've just got this little controller up here, and that will go back. This has gone back to my PC now. Okay, and look, there's the icon in the taskbar down there. Now you've just got to remember, when you finish with the computer, you need to log out as you would normally if you're in the Eldon suite. So look, if I just shut down Maya and then just log out of the computer, and that will shut down the remote window as well by doing that. I think you can shut it down from here, but I would go through the process of properly logging out just in case. But you've got access to everything on here, and I think most things work. So just down here, normal thing, just sign out, and that will take you out of the remote access. So hopefully that will work for you. Okay.